Hello guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so guys, I bought this is ring light. I order online because I saw the way this guy display this ring light with phone. So when you just put it and everything, so it was so attractive, so I decided to order. Not only that, because they said if I bought only that, so they are not able to ship it to me unless I buy two more things. So I just have to pick two things that I know that I even need it, but just because of for them to be able to ship that ring light to me, to my address. So that was why I picked those two things. It's not that important to me. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and open this package, because this package has been on my desk for almost 2 weeks now. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to be starting from here.